Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is the Poco X3. As you can see, just now recently got MIUI 12.5 update. Finally, we got the update. Don't hurry and make it update. Watch the video, and I'll be making a review of this video very soon, like tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Just we received this update, and here they clearly say these things are available. And as you can see, this is the MIUI 12.5.2 latest update with 704 MB. If you are already in 12.0.2 update, then this has been received. As you can see, it's 5:09 PM. Let me reboot it. And if you're first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below, and if you like the video, give it a like. And the Sampath FX YouTube channel, and I already made Poco X3 bugs and even the stereo speakers audio experience, how to improve, all those kind of videos are in my channel. Do check it out. You also have a separate playlist called Poco X3. You can check out there. I always made videos on latest updates on their reviews and also some of the important features of this Poco X3. Do check out. And this initial impression video, I'll be making review very soon on this Poco X3 after this MIUI 12.5 update. Do stay tuned to my channel for similar kind of videos. And don't worry guys, if you did not receive the update, I already made a video how to manually update any Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco devices manually. If we miss the update, here is the card, and I will also provide the description, the video, and also the ROM file, the OTF file. You can manually update it. The file is available already, so that you can update manually also. No need to worry. But wait, just check out what are the problems many are facing. Is it really a problematic or a buggy update? Wait, don't be hurry always in updating such kind of big updates like Android 11 update or MIUI 12.5 like 13. Those kind of updates should be waited. It's my personal experience and personal suggestion for you guys. Just wait. Don't be in hurry in updating to latest version of the updates on any smartphones like this here, the Poco X3. First thing you get like this after updating to MIUI 12.5, swipe to switch between control center and notification shade. I will explain it. If you swipe from here, you get notifications. You can swipe from here also. As you can see, the control center is no need to swipe from top corner like that. If you swipe like this, that's how. Let me show you once again. You need not to swipe there. It's here. You can swipe here. Updated MIUI 12.5 successfully. Let me adjust the brightness once. As you can see, what are the notes there again now? Response to gestures is now instant, new with 20 times more rendering power. There are new few limits to what you can see on your screen. Update security patch to July. This is very sad. Previous also it was July, now also it's July only. MIUI become lighter, faster and more durable. Notes. New experts save text URLs and images to notes in a few simple taps. Dynamic layouts bring the typography in. Notes have lots of update. Let me show you the version update here. As you can see, this is about phone and MIUI 12.5.2. Straight away we got 12.5.2. As you can see, this from here you need to choose update package if you are not got the update. From where I mean OTA. You can manually update it. In the WhatsApp section, you get this section, and in the settings, let me check out display settings. Everything is same here. As you can see, I'm running this 120 Hz refresh rate only, and this is the Geekbench 5 scores on this Poco X3 after Android 11 MIUI 12.5 update. Just now got update and updated and sharing the scores here. It's exactly what I was expecting. It's really good score, 563 single score, and the multi score is 1675. Multi score should be little more better, but 563 single score is exactly the better score. And the UI, as you can see, the scrolling speeds, I felt little bit faster. And some people always ask about this brightness, has it increased or not. As you can see in the auto brightness, it's same, but those who are facing problems, I hope that has been fixed, I guess. And let me show you whether we can uninstall this kind of like Google One app. As you can see, still this is the problem I am facing. Even after MIUI 12.5, I can't uninstall the system apps like this. That's very sad update in my frank opinion, as they were saying that this the MIUI 12.5 feature that you can uninstall system apps, but that is not the case here in the Poco X3, which is really sad thing. Let me see one more app like that. As you can see, this Google Pay, as you can see, still it's an uninstallable app, which is really sad. If we can go and check out some other apps, let me pay, that is also not going to uninstall. Notes, okay, which is useful, that's okay, but which is not useful, that shouldn't be there, but it's there. But anyhow, it's, I hope in the next update at least they fix this thing, like what they mentioned, to uninstall such apps. And control center, you get this new version. Items show on the lock screen, those things are given. And app notifications, everything is same here. I'll be updating in my review. Stay tuned to my channel. I'll be making review of this new update 12.5.2 on this Poco X3 device. And if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit down the subscribe down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. And that's all in this video. I'll be making review of this Poco X3 after MIUI 12.5.2. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.